Budi Bestari Herbal Garden offers herbs that can prevent diet-related disease. Cardiovascular disease, which is the #1 killer disease in Malaysia, are associated with taking excessive saturated fats. Cancer ranks second as a killer disease in Malaysia, has been associated with excessive fat intake. Diabetes, another killer disease, is caused by taking too much sugar. High blood pressure, a major cause of stroke, is a result of taking too much salty food. Abundance preventive diet-related disease. Herbal plants can be found in the Budi Bestari Herbal Garden. Learn and understand the meaning of Esprit de Corps through activities such as planting the herbs and maintaining the garden. The garden fully managed and maintained by the students of SMK Dengkel. Members of the Lestari Brigade are involved in maintaining its landscape. Be exposed to a simpler, cheaper and nutrition diet during the Herbs Good for Health campaign. Learn some business skill through the Herb Sale Day. You will also be able to find herbs that can cure and prevent certain diseases in the Budi Bestari Herb Garden catalogue. The garden was formerly a vacant vegetable plot full of bushes. In the middle 2002, the plot was developed into a herbal garden. A variety of well-known preventive diet-related disease, herbal plants familiar to the multi-races, locals such as Malays, Chinese, Indians and Aboriginal were identified and planted in the garden. Hydrocotyle asiatica, locally known as pegaga, is a herb for cancer. Symphogen citratus, a control for high cholesterol level. Morinda citrifolia, a cure for high blood pressure and diabetes. Typhonium divaricatum, a cure for cancer. Periscabelio, a cure for cancer, high blood pressure and diabetes. Orthosiphon aristatus, locally known as misai kucing, a herb for diabetes. Our dedicated principal, Mrs. Faiza, being a keen herbal plant enthusiast herself, is a prime motivator from the garden. She used to visit the garden almost daily. Being active student in managing the Budi Bestari Herbal Garden, we are proud of the garden. Not only has it greens the school compound, it also bringing our school with the public by offering abundant health, preventive diet-related disease herbal plants to the local. In conclusion, Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Dengkel is the first rural school in the Sepang district to develop the herbal garden to prevent disease.